Hello everyone, today I will show you how to record screen in PC or laptop. No need to using third-party apps. So at first go to your search option, search here to snipping tool. Okay, I am opening this and showing here to this option. You can easily take a screenshot, select camera, or if you want to record video, so select, press on to new and select video option and select area, click on to start. Okay, if you want to record audio, so click on to start audio. Okay, and click on to stop, to save, select save file, so select save folder, save, and that's it. That's how you can do it.